About 7 or 8 years ago, the term the cloud really started to gain popularity. And it's really fun to explain to your parents that have limited technical knowledge what the cloud is. But for business owners, it represented a monumental shift in what they were going to be able to do to generate additional revenue. Instead of having to have physical servers sitting in some data center somewhere running software on bare metal, what you could do is you could use Amazon, you could use Azure, you could use Google Cloud, and they will run your platform for you. But it's more than just a data center that someone else owns. There are cutting edge features that they're using, especially in terms of machine learning and large language models, that unless you have a specialist on staff, you really wouldn't be able to take advantage of. So being able to outsource pieces of your business and use what makes sense on the cloud, that can often give our clients a competitive advantage. It's not easy to do it though, and there are definitely challenges to do it. There's security implications, but all is not lost. The cloud is becoming so ubiquitous in the development environment that it's oftentimes it's easier than it used to be to find developers. And we've had greater success finding developers that are actually well-versed in cloud-native architectures and cloud-native developments. The second piece is that because these companies are so focused on keeping their particular cloud infrastructure up and running and secure, they're often doing it better than companies that try to have their own data center could ever possibly do. And they're always adding cutting edge features. Now, it's important to note that Keyhole, we don't like to experiment on our clients. We don't like to be bleeding edge because we don't like anyone to get, cut. We would rather be cutting edge, or leading edge is probably a better way to think about it, to where, maybe the features that we're using aren't the ones that are being developed in someone's garage. But what we do usually recommend are features on the cloud that are battle tested, that have gone through rigorous security and compliance audits, and are ones that we have used before on previous projects. So if you're considering moving your application, your infrastructure over to the cloud, now is the time.